There is nothing misleading about these numbers. The UN estimates some 5,000 honor killings every year. Often the crimes go unreported, especially in Pakistan. Our Foreign Affairs correspondent Jonathan Rugman has been talking to one man.
Russian serial killer dubbed Maniac of Angarsk convicted of 56 murders. Moscow, a former police officer jailed for murdering 22 women, received a second life sentence on Monday for the murder of 56 more people, making him.
Сегодня ангарский маньяк Михаил Попков получил пожизненный срок. 6 лет он наводил ужас на город. Топор, отвертка и шарф были основными инструментами, с помощью которых он убивал молодых женщин.
Moscow, a court in Siberia has opened hearings in the trial of a former policeman who is charged with the murder of 60 people. Mikhail Popkov from the eastern Siberian city of Angarsk was first arrested in 2012 and sentenced to life in prison for the murder of 22 women. While in custody, Popkov confessed to 20.
Number 5. Ricky Rodriguez. Ricky Rodriguez was a former member of the Children of God cult. The Children of God cult, now known as the Family International, are a Christian cult who identify themselves as fundamental Christians. It was founded in 1968 by David Berg. Ricky Rodriguez was considered to be the adopted son of David Berg, although no official adoption took place. His mother was Karen Serby. She was partner to David. As Ricky grew older, he developed a deep-seated resentment against the pair due to sexual abuse he endured as a child. In January of 1982, the group released a book titled The Story of David Ito. David Ito was Ricky's other name. The 762-page book had at least a dozen photos of Ricky involved in sexual activity within the cult. By the 1990s,